Cartels and illegal armed groups control huge swaths of the Colombian countryside. But using Google Earth and Google Maps, I located a town that is an uncontrolled oasis in the middle of it all. And in this town, anything goes. I'm going in to check it out, and you, well, buckle up, you're coming along. Welcome to SWELLER'S and Dwellers.
Come on, let's just walk to the bus station. It's only 2 kilometers, and I got my stick in case anyone gives me trouble. At the bus station, ready to go. 2-hour ride to Venecia. Ticket, just over $3. It's only a quick 2-hour drive from Medellin, unless the road has collapsed. While the town seems popular with locals, you won't see many foreigners here, and you won't find a single Caucasian. A rooster in the town square. Well, nothing like a little party on Monday afternoon at 2 o'clock. Well, it is the day after Christmas Day. You can easily spend an afternoon, a day, or even a couple of days like me, lounging around this place. The locals seem to specialize in just lounging around. Even the dogs take it easy in Venecia, Colombia. But I came to Venecia to climb the world's largest natural pyramid, Cerro Tusa. You can see the video about that adventure using the link at the end of this video. This place looks like it might be a little bit fancy for the likes of Sweller and Dweller, but let's check it out. Let's start with some soup. Looks like we got some corn on the cob, we got some potatoes, more potatoes. Yep, lots of potatoes. For the main course, we got chicken, rice, potato with sauce on it, and some salad. We got a bit of a theme going here. Just like the bus, it's another 16,000 or $3.20. Man, it's only lunchtime, and I've spent $6.40. There's something you really ought to know about me. When I pass by ice cream for 36 cents, I gotta get it. Some mighty fancy places around this town. I'm at this incredibly fancy resort just outside of town, and it looks like this dad and his son are playing tennis. They have a ball boy and a referee calling the score. This is definitely lifestyles of the rich and famous. Tonight, we're going for an arepa. $2.60 with chicken, beef, pork rinds, chorizo, onions, guacamole, and some other sauce. Looks good. Let's dig in. This is absolutely delicious. You gotta love those crispy pork rinds, but it's a bit messy. Oh my gosh, this ice cream, I can't stop. Tres leche. Translation, 3 milks. Tonight, I'm at Tren Verde, sandwich, ensalada. Well, what are we waiting for? Let's dig in! Got a chicken sandwich with lettuce, mango, mozzarella cheese, guacamole, and cilantro for $2.60. Adios! Adios! These tres leche cones for 36 cents are slaying me. I can't stop. Next time on Sweller Van Dweller. Today we are in Venecia, Colombia, and plan to hike up the world's largest natural pyramid. Oh, great. Zone of geological instability. Those guys are big. They make me a little nervous. But it sounds like a bird that swallowed a rubber tire. Now we're on to the main course. Until next time, Blue Santa says, be nice, not naughty. If you enjoyed that video, then you should watch this one next. And if you've seen that one, well then you should watch this one. And if you've watched them both, well then, you're one of my top subscribers. And I appreciate you so much. I will see you in the next video. Bye for now.